First, launch the YouTube app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the right account. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner to access the settings. Scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to your account options. In the settings, find Advanced Settings and tap on it. Look for Delete Channel and select this option carefully. You'll be prompted to confirm your choice. Ensure you read everything before you proceed. Once you've confirmed, you may change your mind, so read carefully before finalizing. If you're ready, tap Delete Channel to complete the process. Congratulations! Your channel is now permanently deleted. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so make sure you're completely certain. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more helpful tips on managing your online presence. Subscribe for more guides and tips. See you in the next video.